So I just got a box from Amazon. Look, it's torn. It was kind of falling apart, but as long as everything inside looks good, I'm gonna keep it. I'm so excited. This is what I've ordered. Let me show you. Oh yeah, it is a Chinese hot pot. I've always wanted one of these with the divider there. Oh look, it comes with little tongs for the meat, a little ladle for the broth. I guess the handle, you put that on yourself. But yeah, I can't wait to make, let's open it up. I love spicy food, and you know I cannot wait to try this out. I'm gonna have to get some meat this weekend and do the hot side, spicy side, and the regular side. All right, I just wanted to share that with you. Just wanted to share the instructions with you so it shows you can test it for leaking. You always want to put equal parts of water on each side so pressure won't be a factor, because you're normally going to have equal sides. And you put dye on one side. I didn't have any dye, so I put some vanilla extract to color the water. So I have the equal amount. I have 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water on each side, and I'll let it set for 10 minutes. And we'll see if any of it leaks over there, and I'll show you if it works. All right, it's been like 15 minutes. There's the tongs. I wanted to show you what they look like when you take them out. You get a little ladle like this. Oh, cute. And a regular ladle. So cute. I'm so happy with cookware. I'm not a real man, I don't think. And then I also put the handle on the cover myself. This came from China, I guess, by way of Amazon. It was only $29, so stainless steel from head to toe except for the rubberized handle. So I sure hope it works, because if my super spicy side when I make it this weekend leaks into my wife's normal side, she will kill me. All right, let's get started. Hey everyone, so here is the setup for the hot pot. I am filming this on a stool that's set on top of the countertop. So let me show you what we got. Of course, we have the 4 plates. We have dipping sauce bowls. We got the fancy chopsticks today. We got our spoons and our tongs. And then we have some meat. So this is some pork belly. The thinnest slice I could find. This is some halal, so safe for Muslims too. Beef that I got from the Asian store at Tango Wild. I want to say thank you to the young man that said I could find taro leaves there, because I did find it. I don't have his name right off the top of my tongue, but thank you so much, my brother. Right here, this is some high quality sirloin. This one I cut myself, so I tried to get it as thin as possible. It's kind of hard to do it. I froze it a little bit for a few seconds to try to make it easier. We got some large shrimp. We got our vegetables here. We got corn, onions, broccoli, baby bok choy, some potatoes, some green onions or spring onions as some people call it. We're going to put those in first. And there's the girls' plates. And over here we have the hot pot. So what I'm going to do first is turn this on, and then I'm going to add the flavoring to it. So the flavoring I got from my wife and my daughters it was called Hot Pot Soup Base Awase. I don't know, Awase miso. It said 3 types of miso with garlic and ginger. This was $5.49. For mine, of course, I wanted something spicy, so for $1.59, I got the soup base for Szechuan hot and spicy hot pot. So next time I'm going to try to make these sauces myself. But for now, I just wanted to buy something quick. Let's see how that works. Oh, and last but not least, I got some char siu. This is the pork belly that's roasted in the oven. Oh my gosh, it smells like the best bacon. And this is with Hawaiian spices I put on there, and I marinated this for 4 hours before I put it in the oven for 1 hour. All right, so what I have here first, I'm going to turn on the heater on high. Hopefully I've showed you this already that I got this. I think I will. Make a short video. If not, that'll be another video. So one side's going to be the spicy. Oh yeah, look at that paste. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. You know I love some spicy. Make sure I get every drop, or as much as I can. And then for my wife and kid size, this is the miso. It says you're supposed to use 1 packet per cup, and this is 6 cups of water. So I need to use all 6 cups. Let me get this in. So I've added both the flavors in. I'm gonna stir up my wife first. My wife and kid side first. Looks like it has some oil in it. I don't have a very good sniffer, but it smells pretty good. If I'm smelling what I think I'm smelling, just stir that up. I'm gonna do their side first. And once it starts boiling, I'll turn it down so it's a rolling boil. That way it won't boil over. And I'm gonna put the vegetables in first, since those take the longest. That's the traditional way to do a hot pot in China. You do the vegetables, and then you do the meat or the seafood. And then last but not least, when you're all done eating, or almost done eating, you put in some ramen noodles or something, some kind of noodles, and soak up all the juice and fat and flavor from all the meat, and then enjoy those noodles at the very end. And we're gonna do that too. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this hot pot I got. Look at it, it's so cute. Here's my side. Oh, I hope this is hot. I hope. You know me, I love spicy. But just to be safe, my dipping sauce is gonna be super spicy hot, so. All right, let's get everyone to the table. All right, we said our prayer. This is the hot pot. It started boiling a few minutes ago, so I turned it down. I already put some veggies on my side and on their side. My wife could add her bok choy. Ooh, I don't think I got onions on my side. Let me add them. Woo! All right, so let's start eating. So the girls, we've never did this before. So personally, I'm going to use my tongs and grab some of this thin cut meat and put it in my side. You guys can use your thing over there if you want. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna dunk mine in. I know it don't take long. Look at me. And this stuff, I was gonna add some chili sauce to my cup, but this thing I taste a little bit, and it is hot. Anyone want to add anything to your side? Do you want any food? Anybody? Does anybody want food? Mommy's gonna try the thick steak. Just try to put it in there nicely. Oh my gosh, so you stir it around. Oh, look how fast it cooks. That is awesome. The vegetables we put in first. Oh my gosh, this really works. I was watching. I'm gonna take out my onion and my green onion. Oh my gosh, it is so red. It is like fire.
What is that? That's what? Which one is that?
That's meat. Look at that meat. It's done already. Let's try it. Here we go. First taste test. I can't wait. Mmm. That is soft and good. Man, that packet is hot. So if you like spicy, I recommend using that packet. I'm going to use my little ladle to try to get more of it out. So I don't let it overcook.
What kind of meat do you want?
I want to do my own.
She wants to do her own, baby.
Here.
No.
Here, go.
I want to do chopsticks.
Careful, she's fine.
What's that?
Maybe do some of the thick meat and the thin meat.
Like that one. Try to grab it.
Hey, Acapella, can you do me one favor? Can you grab me the salt? Because I love salt. Even though it's not real salt. Oh my gosh, it smells fire. Oh, holy smokes. I wish I knew Chinese. I'd say,
Here.
Ni hao. That's all I know how to say. Or shoo shoo. Or shush. Yeah, shoo. I don't know. Let's try some of this. A little salt on it. Yeah, you guys don't overload your pot side. It'll flip over the other side.
5, 6, 7.
Oh my God. The shorter time you leave it in there, the more tender it'll be. The longer you leave it like that, it's going to get tougher. If it's all brown, it's probably in there too long. Oh, Acapella's going to try the spicy side.
Not all of it's brown.
That's good. How is it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, you haven't tried it yet. Oh my God. How could I forget the shrimp? The shrimp. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put 4 in there. We try this extremely red covered spicy green onion or spring onion.
Do we have any egg sauce?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. I like it.
Mmm. It's good. How's your side pot? Your flavor good? Mine's actually going to use more salt on my side. I'm not going to pour it in the water. It's spicy, but it's kind of bland. And oh my gosh, I've left my shrimp in. And it's probably done already. Where is it? Oh no! Where's my shrimp? Obviously, I'm not a hot pot master yet. I probably never will be.
It's hard.
Just use your fork. Or use
No, on my
the
right
tongs.
hand. I like doing it though. After coffee Pella.
Mmm, that is good.
How are you holding that? Like this?
Wow, if you don't have one of these hot pots,
Pella.
I definitely recommend it.
Like this.
I know a lot of you have ate these at restaurants, but this was pretty cheap. This was like 20 something. I don't remember what I said before, but it wasn't that much, like $29 maybe. Mmm. Wow. It is so fun cooking right at the table. Don't forget you got potatoes down there somewhere. Should I try the broccoli yet? You think it's done? Let's try. Oh my gosh, the spice is burning my eyes. Don't worry about making a mess, sweetie. Just shake it and bring it out. You want to get your panda lunch?
I need the panda.
Woo! Fine, it's not done yet.
I'm gonna get my panda. Hi, princess.
What you mean by she's gonna get her panda? She has this little panda that'll hold the end of her chopsticks together and make it easier to use them.
So, if you get my A1 in the fridge. Where? What's that?
If it's there.
It says A1 on it.
What does it look
It
like?
says steak sauce. There you go. Anyone try the halal thicker meat yet?
It's
Let me try it.
hella. It feels empty.
I cannot find my potatoes I put in here. Did I put any in mine? Let's dump the rest of the taters. What's wrong?
Hot.
Oh, it's hot. I thought she accidentally got some of mine.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, look at that giant chunk of meat. Is that the one I just put in there? Holy smokes, that cooked fast. Oh, it's so tender. You should, I'm gonna put one. I'm not a huge pork belly fan, but I bet you the fat from the pork belly will make your broth taste delicious. There we go, let's dip it in. Let me try some of Mommy's char siu. Mmm. This is like good bacon. Thick. And juicy. Oh, I'm stealing Mommy's napkin.
This one has a lot of fat on
What's
I
that?
stayed in a lot longer than the others.
What's that? Is it any
So
good?
I think your meat stayed in longer.
Is it any good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's very fatty. So West trying to like cheat.
I'm trying to find one I like.
Grab a whole bunch.
I want this one.
One little piece. So picky. It's so fun. Smelling the flavors, oh my gosh. Some napkins. I've got to find some more shrimp. The shrimp was so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the pork fat in there. Holy small, I'm going to leave that in a little bit longer. There's some broccoli and shrimp. Where is my shrimp? It's kind of a pain in the butt to fish for it, but it's also kind of fun doing that. Like, where's the food I put in there? Messy, huh? Let's try the broccoli. Woo! Oh man. I have never had such spicy broccoli in my life. I love it. Thank you so much for joining us. We love having you guys here and watching while I yak 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 and everyone else pays attention to their food and eats.
Careful.
Can you imagine how much I could eat if I didn't talk so much? I'm gonna try this, just soak it in there. Yeah, dip your toe in there, little fella. The little prawn just wants to dip his toe. Oh yeah. Ow! It's hot though. Ow, it's kind of burning my hand. Let's try it. Perfect. Oh my god. So good. Yum yummy. But hot. What was that, sweetie? You talking about sauce?
With that weird sauce. I wonder if we still have it. The red one, it's kind of spicy, but there's a sweetness to it too.
You should try some of the pork belly. The pork belly that hasn't been roasted in the oven, sweetie. Does anyone want onions on your side, honey? You want onion or no?
I don't think they do.
What about you?
No.
More for me.
Can you put salt in there?
Sure. There you go.
I wonder where the meat is.
It's in there. Maybe you should use the tongs or something else to grab them.
I guess we don't.
You have a spoon to grab stuff. It's right there. See the holes? That's what you're supposed to grab the meat out with. That's why I left it on your side, darling. Careful.
That's a potato.
Yeah, you can eat the potato. It's yours.
That's a shrimp.
Very nothing.
Yummy, yummy.
That's also potato.
It's so good. And so messy. What are you looking for? Meat?
Yeah, I'm not happy.
You're not going to take a potato?
Not yet.
I chopped them for you, sweetie.
How'd your pork one turn out?
I'm not doing that yet.
Go try that. Careful. You love it almost full. I think this hot pot and this little Coleman burner, which is just kicking right along, that I wouldn't even have known about these little teeny desk table things unless I watched PollyTube. So thank you, everyone.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, what? You got some wow wow?
Potato is so good. For
Good.
some weird reason.
I'm gonna try the corn. Spicy corn. Some more green onions. I got a shrimp. If you didn't notice, we put all the shrimp in when we had the timer turned off for a second. Trying to find some more. Ooh, potato. I'm just gonna start dumping stuff on my plate so everything doesn't overcook. Oh, look at that. Woo, gee-hoo!
The potatoes are really good.
Yeah, I thought they'd be good, sweetie.
I said that. It's good, huh?
If you want a spicy potato, just let me know. I'll share.
No thanks.
Let me try the corn. Oh my gosh, it's so hot though when it comes out of the hot pot. So I'm gonna put it in my mouth. I just said it was so hot. Woo! Holy moly. Okay, I'll wait a second. That's good though. Oh, poor Maka's crying over there. She smelled all the goodies. Mmm. The shrimp, the seafood. Maybe one time we'll get nothing but one with seafood for me and my wife. Kids don't like it. I wonder if you put some feta in there.
Mom, can you flip the plate?
Here.
Because that one has a fat on it. Yeah, like that.
Here. I want you to give it to her. You want all this in there? There. I'll put a couple pieces in mine, and you can have the rest.
I like holding it.
Well, you can dream about that.
Careful, please.
I am careful. I grabbed one.
Woo, that's good. Wow, that's so good. I love this thing.
How long has this one been cooking?
I don't know, baby. Use this and get them out faster.
I like eating chopsticks. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Careful.
Just hold it up and let it drip. Hold it up and let it drip, and then bring it to your plate. If we make a mess, we'll just clean it up, right? The potatoes are really good, though. The one from the store that she said was hot pot meat, the halal meat, it tastes good, but this is not thin enough for hot pot. Everywhere I went where they normally have hot pot meat, and I wanted to do this today, I didn't want to wait, was all sold out, so.
More.
Salt in here. More what?
More what?
More meat, pal.
There's meat. I just saw.
So good.
Oh, you ate it all. Martha.
Turning it down a little bit. The water's just boiling. I don't want the spicy to jump on their side by accident. Enough so wet. What do you have on your plate? Meat? What you done? Bella's trying to get her meat out, sweetie.
I did, and then she knocked it back in.
Oh, tricky, tricky, tricky. Eat, baby. Mommy's trying the hot pot pork belly. Probably not as tender, I would think, because it cooked fast. But I don't know. Let her tell you.
Well, this thing's hot.
It is soft. Huh? Go figure.
Shocking. More Alaska? Oh, okay. Okay.
Before you guys get too full, you ready to put some noodles in and taste it in your broth?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Num num. We'll just use some regular sardine here. And just stick it right into the water. They said do that at the end after all the fat and juice from the meats mixed with the broth. I'll try mine. I'll try my side too. And I'm adding meat on the spicy side as well. And one of you with you want to push it down on your side. Well, I got this one. I got it. There we go. You want a piece of corn, Pella?
Is it already melted? Doing it already? It is.
Watch out, baby. I'm gonna try some corn. Woo! I almost hurt myself. I just splashed the. I'm gonna try the corn on their broth side to see what it tastes, how different it tastes from my side. Who knows? I might like it better. Let's see. What you need, darling?
Huh?
Did you need something, sweetie?
No.
Oh, okay. Mommy's getting up to get stuff. Do you want some noodles too, Pella Umbrella? No?
What? I don't know what you said.
Do you want some of those noodles?
I'm okay.
Say something before you do that, please. I almost fell. Silhouette, you don't need to keep doing that, baby. Thank you. I don't want. I'm just scared of the hot pot. I don't want to knock it over.
More meat, Pella.
No.
Okay.
Let me try the pork belly too. On the spicy side.
Do you like the spicy side?
Huh, it is tender. I mean, not as tender as being in it a long time, but it's more tender than I thought it was.
I think that one's ready. So.
Mmm. You want it like that, not really done? You want it not really done? Yes or no? Let me know when you
Try
know.
some.
Let me know when you know.
Sure.
Bring your plate up. Closer. Closer. Wait, please wait. Please wait. There you go.
Splash you over the top.
So acapella's all done. Good job, acapella. We'll see you later, alligator.
You want noodle?
Want to put in a fresh noodle?
I'm okay.
All right.
The beef one?
Well, we're not putting the beef flavor in. I think Pella's not a huge fan of this because Silhouette's mixing her fork and spoon in there. And Pella does not like to eat stuff that other people touched. Right, Chilo? Right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
You can try some of mine though if you want.
Mm-mm.
I'll let you know if it's good or spicy. Here we go. 1, 2. Woo! Oh, good. I have a plate I can put my trash on. Let's try the noodles in the hot pot. Okay, USA. Good.
A noodle
It's stuck in my braces.
Aw. Well, aren't you gonna brush your teeth after dinner? There you go. You got it all covered, baby.
No, like it's hanging off my braces.
See if the doggy wants some crispy. Back up. There she goes. I like the meat, but I think the seafood is my favorite.
I'm done.
All right, sweetie, good job. Love you. Say bye-bye. What do you say?
Fa.
Fa. You're copying mommy all the time with a fa. Maybe we should put the rest of this meat in. I'll put a couple over here. A couple on mommy's side. Put some of the pork fat in, or pork belly, just for the flavor. Ooh, all bloody. Put some bok choy in, put some on my side too. I think this dinner turned out to be a success. Whether anyone liked it or not, because I love my hot pot. Mmm. That corn tastes so good. That and potatoes, soaking up that broth, is just so splendid.
Potato. Turned out really good.
Yeah, potatoes I was able to cut super thin, like see-through thin. The meat though, even though I put it in the freezer for a few minutes, I still couldn't cut it as thin as I wanted to. I could have tried for thinner, but I would have probably sliced part of my finger off too. I really think that next time, me and my wife's going to try it, maybe when the kids are in school. I'll get her some crab and some fish.
She's really crunching on that.
Yeah. The fish, though, I think I would slow cook it or boil it for an hour first to make sure it's tender. Then basically she could just dip it in to get the broth on there. Alright, I really want to try their broth. Let's see if I can find some. Oh, there's a potato. Let me try a potato. That holds in a lot of flavor. This is the garlic ginger side. Let's see what it tastes like. In my expert opinion. Oh, got a little bit of onion. It's a very light tasting sauce. Tastes like chicken broth with spices. Mine actually tastes like a chicken broth too, except they added a little lava into it. It is hot. I'm so glad though that I didn't have to add spices to it. That's very rare for me. Wow, I'm getting full. But I'm going to drain this and save all that meat. That's what microwaves are for, right? We'll enjoy it later. So what did you think about the hot pot, honey? The hot pot experiment.
That's fun.
Yeah, it's fun, huh?
We should think of different sauce next time. I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna try. I'm gonna try to do a homemade sauce next time instead of buying a store-bought. Like it's almost like a ramen packet that's just flavoring already. I saw one, but it had a lot of stuff to do, like put in pork bones and different things like that. I like to do that and make stuff way in advance. It's just today I wasn't prepared for it. Because earlier today, if you saw the video about me giving out my second YouTube paycheck to the homeless people, that was earlier today. So this was my surprise for the same day. So filming two kind of difficult videos in the same day is hard. I didn't want to do all that. That's why I just bought the spices, the spice packs. But next time, kind of like my Maori boil up, I'm going to take some time and actually put in the flavor and the effort to home make the broth. So, love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. The more viewers that we have, and subscribers too, but the more views we have, the more money this channel can make, and the more that we can give to people that need it. And that's pretty much what this channel is about. I've pretty much given up on any other reason for this channel except for doing that. That is what makes me the happiest. So, Whakatane lava for everyone watching. And
Fa.
and fa. And tofa se fu, everyone. We love you. And ready? 1, 2, 3. Peace. I'm stuffed. Oh my gosh.
Well, it
I'm
took a
stuffed.
while to cool down.
Yeah, I ate so fast. Now the real final last words. GoPro, stop recording.